Today I wanted to take a closer look at this Cuisinart die-cast juice extractor. Now this helps you make amazing juice. So orange juice, carrot juice, apple juice, spinach juice, a combination of tons. And it really does cut it up and mix it up so well that the pulp that you get from the leftover fruit is so dry, you extract every little last bit from it. So I'm gonna walk you through what the machine looks like, the different components, and just some stuff like that. Some very, very basic stuff. Now, first of all, you do have the manual if you want some juice ideas and kind of like a little how-to setup guide. We'll take out every component one by one here, I believe, just to make things a little bit easier for everybody. And it really is just two major pieces that come with it. So we'll kind of look at those very quickly. Okay. So this is the main juice component. Pull it off here. Let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, so the first part you're gonna have to look at here is actually the disposal. So this is where all the pieces of fruit go out when you're done using it. Now let's pull off. Here we go. So it looks like this is just a handle of some sort. And this just lifts up. Now this is the middle centrifuge. So this is where all the juice goes into and all the pieces of pulp spin out of it. And the juice just strains through this fine mesh strainer. So it really is that easy. Now on the side here, it does have different settings depending on how fast you want it to go. So for harder fruits, you're gonna want it to go faster. So like carrots and stuff like that. If it's just like an orange, you don't need it to go super hard. Now here's the top portion where we put in our different fruits. And then we just kind of, squeeze them down slowly. And that will shoot all the disposable pieces of fruit into here. And then the juice actually goes into this, right? The juice actually goes directly into this and falls nicely into this little canister. And what this does is it has the design where sometimes you get some foam coming out of your juice because it's moving so fast. This actually helps siphon out the foam by using a little piece inside here. So it's a really cool design that keeps things nice and simple. And that's really how easy it is to have fresh fruit. So all you'll do in the morning, turn it on first, of course. I usually just keep mine around 3, have a bunch of pieces of cut up fruit, stuff them inside, even full if they'll fit, mash them down. Disposable goes here. So all the pieces, all the pulp of the fruit, and then all the freshly squeezed juice comes out on this side, making it super simple. And it of course also comes with a little scrubby brush to help clean the centrifuge, because that you do have to pop out. I find just cleaning all the pieces as soon as you make juice is the easiest way to do it. That way you don't have a big mess and it doesn't stick to it after. So that is the Cuisinart die-cast fruit extractor juicer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.